In the ever-evolving world of education and technology, one name continues to inspire innovation and progress: Ghulam Farooque. Ghulam Farooque is a PhD research scholar in artificial intelligence at UniMarconi, Italy, the first Italian open university officially recognized by the Italian Ministry of Education. He combines expertise in AI-driven education, digital transformation, and research innovation, making him one of Pakistan's most influential voices in modern education and technology integration. Currently pursuing his PhD, his research focuses on integrating AI in education, healthcare, and research. He is a fellow in artificial intelligence from the University of BATH, UK, and holds a diploma in machine learning and a master's in GPT from FEDE, UK. He also completed a diploma in AI from Uni Athena and holds a master's in statistics from the University of Sindh, equipping him with strong analytical and research skills. With over 2 decades professional experience, Ghulam Farooque has been serving Israel University since inception in 1997. Currently, he is associated with the Dean, Faculty of Engineering, Science, and Technology. He also serves as the Additional Director of Artificial Intelligence, Research and Postgraduate Affairs at the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Pakistan, and represents the 3D Interactive Human Anatomy and Physiology Platform, USA, promoting advanced visualization technologies for medical education, media presence, and thought leadership. Ghulam Farooque has established a strong and influential media presence, widely recognized as a trusted voice in artificial intelligence, education, and digital transformation. He is frequently invited as a guest speaker, panelist, and expert commentator on national television programs, academic webinars, and institutional conferences. His insights on AI-powered education, research innovation, digital transformation, and the future of learning technologies have made him a sought-after contributor for media outlets, research communities, and academic institutions. He regularly appears on popular Sindhi television channels as a TV anchor and AI educator, hosting morning shows and conducting exclusive AI-focused interviews with leading researchers, educators, and policymakers. Through these programs, he raises awareness about emerging technologies, future-ready skills, and AI integration in education and healthcare, connecting with a diverse and nationwide audience. In addition to television, Ghulam Farooque has been a keynote speaker at numerous national-level conferences, seminars, and workshops, engaging with faculty, researchers, students, and industry leaders. His thought leadership has positioned him as a strategic advisor for academic institutions, research bodies, and innovation-driven organizations, helping them design and adopt AI-driven teaching methodologies and modern digital strategies. Beyond mainstream media, he is a pioneer in digital learning and content creation, serving as a founder and creator of several successful YouTube channels, including Mams Medical, Medicology, and Ghulam Farooque Official. Through these platforms, he produces educational, medical, and AI-powered content that reaches a global audience, attracting viewers from Europe, the Middle East, and South Asia. Alongside his own digital platforms, Ghulam Farooque works as a YouTube moderator and digital content strategist, supporting various academic and medical institutions in optimizing their online presence, audience engagement, and digital outreach strategies. He continues to bridge the gap between modern technology and accessible education, shaping the way knowledge is delivered in today's fast-evolving world. He is also highly regarded for conducting national-level workshops, seminars, and training sessions on AI in higher education, medical sciences, forensic pathology applications, and research innovation. His specialized training on Q1 journal publications and AI-powered research methodologies has helped countless students, researchers, and faculty members achieve academic success. Driven by his vision to make knowledge accessible to all, Ghulam Farooque leverages digital platforms to educate and inspire, transforming how learners, educators, and researchers engage with technology-driven education. This is not just a story of a researcher. It is a journey of an innovator, an educator, and a visionary, Ghulam Farooque, shaping the future of education and artificial intelligence. Let's give a huge round of applause to Ghulam Farooque for his tireless dedication and visionary leadership in Pakistan's educational sector. His relentless efforts, innovative ideas, and unwavering commitment have made him a true pioneer and inspiration, shaping the future of learning and redefining what's possible in education. Ghulam Farooque's journey reminds us all, when passion meets innovation, the impact is limitless. Thank you.